A Zimbabwean man faces 3 murder charges after allegedly hitting a taxi and then driving away, is back in court. Now, the taxi was transporting supporters of the Patriotic Alliance. The man faces charges of murder and contravention of the Immigration Act. We cross over to our SABC News reporter who's covering this story for us, Thabiso Radebe. Thabiso, talk to us about this particular story now.
Yes, good morning, Leanne. Good morning to your viewer at home. We are outside the Kimberley Magistrate Court where Colin Mhlanga is expected to appear in this magistrate court this morning, facing those charges that you've just mentioned. It's also 3 murders, and also he's facing also the a drunken driving case. But with me here, it's Michaela's father, one of the deceased, Kenneth Boysen, who's going to be telling us about this particular case. Thank you, sir, for your time. Tell us about this particular case. As a family, you are not happy the way the court has been carrying out this particular case. Why?
Good morning, Thabiso, and good morning to the viewers. Yes, we are very unhappy. That illegal drunk immigrant killed our children, and at the ultimate end, there was trial dates that was set for April the 3rd, the 16th, and the 17th. And when we arrived at court, he fired the legal aid attorneys, and the matter was postponed to May month. And in May, he did the same thing, fired the attorneys, and at the ultimate end, as we are standing here today, we are here for consultation. Legal aid board appointed a private attorney for him. He is here for consultation today. I mean, they are getting most paid. Why is it that they don't go to him to the legal cells where he's been holding most? And at the ultimate end, we need to pay the price. We have to come and face him every day. There's no justice for us. We are suffering emotionally, mentally, even the other occupants that was in that Kumbi as well. And as a family, we are sick and tired of this. The constitution needs to be revised, because why he's been upheld here because of our constitutional, the laws and everything, and he has all the privileges. And we as South Africans, we are paying the price. And when we act, then we become xenophobic. So this is the type of treatment that we get in our own country. Because why, if we did this in their country, we would have been dead by now.
You were also saying that you have written to the National Prosecuting Authority to sort of intervene, especially with these many postponements and also the changing of lawyers.
Yes, we did, and the matter was being done via our deputy president of the organization, the Patriotic Alliance, where they belongs to, and they have engaged with Batoy as well. And at the ultimate end, we are still awaiting from Minister Batoy. That's why we need to fight this fight on our own, this battle, and we had to even appoint a private advocate to be the watchdog over this matter. And this is really frustrating, because it's cost us a lot of money just for justice for an illegal immigrant.
It must have been said to sort of losing a child, especially 3 children from your area, especially 2 children from your area and 1 other one who was knocked down by the car before he crashed into the taxi of the Patriotic Alliance people.
Yes, that's correct. You are correct, yes. And we had to bury my daughter self. She was a student at the university. She stepped out because of this treatment that they are, for South Africans, are getting from these lecturers who are immigrants that is teaching them. And she came and campaigned because she wants them to Abahambe, to leave our institutions of education, and they have killed it. You should have seen how it was an havoc in our communities, because the other one, Cavino, he was also a student. He was a mechanical engineer student. He's been killed just like that, and we must accept it. We must sit still. And there was people here in this Kimberley as well. We have employed this illegal immigrant, but we are going to deal with them on another level. They will feel us. They will feel the pain that we are enduring and that we are encountering here.
Thank you very much for your time, sir.
Thank you.
That is Kenneth Boysen. He's the father of Michaela. Yeah, the case will be continuing today in the Kimberley Magistrate Court, where Colin Mhlanga is facing those charges. Leanne, it's back to the studio.
All right, Thabiso Radebe, thank you very much on that story for us, and we'll see what comes out of this particular case.